Hello folks, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to take a quick look at a little accessory that I've got for my Rode Wireless Go. So stay tuned and see what I've got. So guys, do you want to see what I've bought? So there you go folks, we have the Rode Magclip Go. So let's see what we get in the box. So guys, this is what comes in the box. So this first piece here, this little bit here, this actually slides onto the clip on the Wireless Go. The bit that clips to your clothing. So I don't know why that's going to show up, but that's sort of, can you see in there? So that slides onto the clip on the Wireless Go. And I think you can leave it in place. It's not something that you can have to take off every time. Once it's on, I think you can leave it on, guys. So that's the bit that goes onto the clip on the Wireless Go. And this piece is a magnet. Got a powerful magnet, as I will demonstrate. So that's a very, very powerful magnet. So that's the bits we get in the box. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to show you, hopefully, how it all goes together. So guys, what we have is the Rode Wireless Go. That's the transmitter. So there's one with the microphone in. So that's the transmitter, and there's our little clip. So what I'm going to do, I'll try not to bash the tripod too much, but what we do is, guys, this piece here, how much that's going to stay in the shot, so this piece here slides onto this piece here. So I don't know where that's going to show up on camera, but I'll try and make it so that he says, am I doing it the right way? Probably not. So that will, can you see this, guys? So that slides onto there like that, guys. I don't know why that came up on camera, but that slides onto that piece there, and you can still use the clip as normal. So that goes onto there, so that can stay on there, guys. So that's the first thing we need to do. Right, so what I'll do now, guys, is try and demonstrate how we actually clip it to our clothing. So if you just bear with me, guys. So folks, I'm now going to attempt to show you how to use the Magclip Go. So the first thing we need to do, guys, is take this magnet. And well, that's going to focus, yep. So we're going to take the magnet, and we've now got to shove said magnet up our jumper. So now bear in mind, guys, this microphone here is recording the audio, so it might get a little bit rustly and a bit noisy, but we're going to shove the magnet up the jumper. So the magnet is now here, and we now take the, I don't know where it's going to focus, but we're going to take that and we clip it onto there. So we can move it all around to a more suitable place, but it takes a little bit of messing around, but that's the idea. So that's the Magclip Go set up there with the Rode Wireless Go. So that's how it works. So there you go, guys. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to swap the audio over to the Rode Wireless Go and just have a little bit of a test. So guys, we're now on the audio from the Rode Wireless Go, and as you can see, that's stuck quite well there with the magnet. It's quite firm, it's not going to fall off. I mean, obviously if you shook it too much and a bit aggressive with it, it'd probably fall off, but I think for normal usage, it's going to stick there. Now I do apologise, you heard a bit of banging going on, somebody's putting a new roof on their shed. But anyway, guys, that's stuck up there. I think it looks quite well. Yeah, well, that's going to do the job very well. So this really, guys, is if you wear some clothing that haven't not really suitable for clipping the Rode to, that's ideal for that. I mean, like this, for instance. I mean, if I just to take it off a minute, guys, it's going to get a bit noisy, but if I'm going to take it off, yep. So I don't want to lose the magnet. Hang on, guys. I don't want to drop the magnet, because just bear with me, folks. Disappeared up my jumper. Where's it gone? Come out. I'm going to lose the magnet. I am. I think that's one of the things you have to worry about. Right, this. Right, I've got it, guys. Sorry. I've got the magnet. Right, so now then, if you could imagine, so with the clip on the back, guys, I'm trying not to move the microphone too much. If you could imagine, guys, with this clip on the back, with a jumper or t-shirt, something like this, where you haven't got anything easily with buttons on or something like that, I think it would be quite difficult. I'm going to try and demonstrate this live, so just bear with me, guys. So, see now that it's not, yeah, if you can see what the problem, guys. Yeah. So there's no real way that you can clip that neatly and tidily like this. And again, I'm going to try this live. So again, if you were to go up here, again, bear with me, guys, with the noise. I think that might be, and again, that doesn't look that neat, and it might be a little bit too close. I don't know, guys. So that's where the Magclip Go comes into play. So once more, we're going to try and shove it up my jumper again. This takes a little bit of messing around. Once you're up, so you get it up to where you want, guys, and clip it on. And there we go, we're ready to go. Just tidy everything up, just make ourselves look neat and tidy. But I think that's going to work very well, especially like you said with t-shirts or something like this, where you haven't got to. If you have buttons, as I said, guys, down there, then you could just clip it in. But I think for this, it works very well. And I suppose that other things you could clip it onto, guys. You know, it don't have to be clothing. You could use it to, you know, put the microphone out of sight somewhere on a, you know, like here. I can't really demonstrate yet. That could be for another video, guys. Anyway, that was the Rode Clip Mag Go. So there you go, guys. The Rode Clip Mag Go. Definitely worth buying. I picked this one up on Amazon. I think it was £15 here in the UK. It does fluctuate a little bit, so I just sort of waited till the price dropped a bit and picked it up at £15 here in the UK. But I think it's definitely worth a little investment if you've got the wireless Go. Anyway, guys, hope you liked this video and enjoyed this little demo of the Rode Magclip Go. So if you have, please like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one. So bye bye for now.